everyone, welcome to my channel and welcome to today's video. In today's video, it is all about washing the face. Now, what I'm going to be using to wash the face is my own personal homemade facial wash. However, guys, this is not your regular homemade facial wash. This facial wash contains essential antioxidant that will help to brighten the skin, clear the skin of hyperpigmentation. It contains antioxidant vitamin C, which will help to nourish the skin and boost that collagen production in the skin. Also, guys, if you have oily skin, this facial wash is for you. If you have large pores, this is an amazing wash that will seep deep into the pores, clean those pores out, and just leave your skin looking younger and fresher. So guys, if you're looking for a homemade wash that is going to get the job done, that may help to take your skin to the next level for beautiful looking skin, guess what, guys? Do not click off. Continue watching the video for the full recipe. I will also share a live demonstration at the end of the video showing you how to use this remedy on your skin for best results. So now here I have a tomato, and tomato contains so many benefits for the skin. It contains a large amount of antioxidant vitamin C, which will help to clear the skin of hyperpigmentation. Tomato help to reduce acne, and it also help to reduce oiliness on the skin. It help to reduce blackening. It help to tighten skin pores. It have anti-aging properties. It help to treat sunburn, and when use it on the skin on a regular, it will make the skin soft and supple. So what I'm going to do with our tomato, I'm going to cut it in 2 halves, and I'm using a half of the medium tomato. Now we're going to be doing some blending, so I'm going to cut my tomato for easier blending. If you do not have a blender, you can go ahead and grate the tomato. So now that we had our tomato to our blender, I'm reaching for my next ingredient. Here I have some soy milk. However, you can go ahead and you can use regular milk for this recipe. You can even use some yogurt or some curd to replace the soy milk. I'm going to be using 1 tablespoon of soy milk, and I'm using the soy milk mostly for its vitamin A properties, which will help to boost collagen production in the skin, reduce wrinkles and fine lines. And now I'm going to reach for my next ingredient, which is turmeric. Turmeric contains antioxidant and anti-inflammatory component. It helps to brighten and lighten the skin. It will leave the skin with a natural glow. If you're looking to get rid of dark spots on the skin, also if you have acne-prone skin or oily skin, this is an amazing ingredient to use on the skin. Now, turmeric is very strong, so you don't need a lot. So I'm going to use about a half a teaspoon of the turmeric powder. I'm placing this in the blender along with the tomato on the soy milk, and now we are gonna blend. Now, if you were using a grater, after you grate your tomato, you extract the juice, and then you would add the soy milk and the turmeric powder to the tomato juice. So now that we finish blending, let's pour this in. We want this to be very liquidy. We do not want to have any particles in it, so we are going to strain. So let's just strain. One of the beauty of this recipe, guys, is that it is very versatile, and what I like about it is the antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties that this contain, making it an ideal facial wash for acne-prone skin, for people with a lot of blackheads and whiteheads, and also if you have large pores, and if you're looking to brighten the skin, if you're looking to clear the skin of hyperpigmentation, this is the combination for you, which is safe and will not irritate the skin. So now that we're done with our straining, we're going to go ahead and we're going to add a final ingredient to this, and this is like putting the icing on the cake. This is aloe vera gel. This is what is going to make this, smooth the skin and moisturize and hydrates the skin. This combination, guys, is really amazing. So I'm using 1 tablespoon of the aloe vera gel. If you have fresh aloe vera gel, it's also ideal for this recipe. So let's just add our 1 tablespoon of aloe vera gel. Pouring this in. Make sure to get everything out of the spoon. And remember that you can use fresh aloe vera gel also in this recipe. And now we are going to completely dissolve the aloe vera gel in our turmeric tomato mixture. So we are mixing well. Now this is going to take about a minute or so. Just completely blend the mixture. Now once this is done, you can choose to store this in an airtight container. I like to store mine in a small jar with a tight cover. So let's just pour this in. And once this is done, the remedy is ready to use. You can choose to store this in your refrigerator for up to 7 days or so. It's going to be good. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go on the other side and I'm going to show you how to use this on your skin for best result. Now to use this facial wash, I like to use it with a cotton pad. You can even use a soft cloth or you can use your hands, but I prefer a cotton or a cloth. And I'm going to just dip in and do not double dip. So soak up your cotton with the solution and then you're going to use it to wash your face in a circular manner. So you're going to apply this on your face, your neck, and your décolleté. And once you totally cover your face, you can choose to rinse off or you can choose to leave it on your skin for a couple of minutes, 10 to 15 minutes or so, and then you rinse off. Now I suggest that you rinse this off with cold water and pat dry the skin, and then you apply your favorite facial products. Now guys, this remedy, you can use it every day. It's not gonna irritate the skin. So wash your face AM and PM with this. Give it a week to work, guys. After a week, you should see some result to the skin. Your skin should look much fresher, much clearer. It should look more firmer, and also if you had spots and blemishes, they should be lightened somewhat. So just continue to use the remedy for best result. Now store this in your refrigerator for up to about 7 days or so, and when it is done, then go ahead and make some more. So there you have it, such an amazing combination of ingredients that are all good for your skin. So guess what? Go ahead guys, give this a go. Use it on your skin for a couple of days. Give it at least 7 days and you're gonna notice a significant difference to your skin. And guess what guys? Just imagine if you continue to use this to wash your face on a regular, you will be blown away. Your skin should look amazing in no time. Now guys, if this was the first time watching, you want to see more of these videos, look below. You're going to see the word subscribe. Just click on it and you will be subscribed. Also on the side of the word subscribe, there's a little bell. Guess what? If you click on that and turn on post notification on your phone, you will get a notification as soon as I upload a video. Thank you all for watching and I'll see you soon.